Today with the 2017 GLC. The Mercedes-Benz GLC sets the bar for the luxury SUV, a midsize SUV that's all lean muscle and has a roomy new cabin full of style and substance and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.